Examples. Narinig nyo na ba ang Axie Infinity na nilalaro ng karamihan ngayon? Yan ay halimbawa ng isang NFT game. Bawat creature na ginagamit ng mga player ay may unique identification, making them representations of NFTs. Ang gamit nito ay SLP. Ang board punks of society. Ang BPOs ay isa lang naman sa pioneer ng NFT space and community here in the Philippines. Their NFTs are represented by PFPs or profile pictures that give them access to different sorts of benefits such as membership sa kanilang community as well as other perks and benefits. Ang gamit naman nito na network ay Polygon, which is a sidechain of Ethereum. Ngayon alam mo na ang definition ng NFT at kung ano ang ilan sa mga uri nito, we'll talk about how you can create one in the next chapter. If you enjoyed or learned anything about this video, a like would be appreciated. But if you didn't, you can also leave a thumbs down. But we would love it if you could subscribe and share this with your friends that are interested with NFTs. This is only the first of many videos on art and how you can use NFT for your art, so stay tuned.